Blueface's girlfriend, Chrisian Rock, is heading to prison. But how did it come to this? Chrisian Rock, the girlfriend of rapper Blueface, has been sentenced to prison after a string of public fights and controversies. What led to this, and what does it mean for her future? Chrisian Rock has finally been arrested after escaping authorities for 2 years. Reports indicate she faces a lengthy prison sentence due to a string of serious charges, including trespassing, grand theft auto, and multiple assaults. Rock's criminal record and her evasion tactics until now have shocked many. In August, news broke that Rock faced up to 8 years in prison for drug-related charges in Oklahoma. Her troubles began back in 2022 when she attempted to steal her boyfriend Blueface's car. This incident, on February 14, 2022, led to her arrest in Oklahoma. Rock was charged with receiving, possessing, and concealing a stolen vehicle, along with possessing controlled substances with intent to distribute. The vehicle in question was Blueface's Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. What made the situation even more disturbing was that Rock had allegedly broken into Blueface's home, inflicted self-harm, and left a chilling message in blood on his wall. The message, "I love Blue," was a stark revelation of her actions. Blueface shared details of the incident on his Instagram, describing it as something out of a movie like Fatal Attraction. He tried to reason with Rock through text messages, warning her of the consequences and advising her to reconsider her choices. Despite his attempts to interfere, Rock continued down a path that would ultimately lead to legal trouble. The aftermath of Rock's actions drew attention on social media, with Blueface's manager Whack 100 also commenting critically on her behavior. He criticized Rock for her actions and the financial burden it placed on him to recover his stolen car. In court, Rock pleaded guilty to the charges against her. Surprisingly, the judge opted for a more lenient sentence, sentencing her to 4 years of probation for each charge to be served concurrently. This decision surprised many, considering the gravity of the charges she faced. Throughout the legal process, Rock was represented by her attorney, Ken Gallant, who played a crucial role in securing the relatively lenient sentence. Overall, Rock's journey from evasion to legal resolution highlights the complexities of celebrity life and the severe consequences of criminal actions. Rock's lawyer argued that she shouldn't go to jail because she had a clean criminal record before this. This was a critical point that convinced the judge to give her probation instead of sending her to prison. However, the terms of her probation were strict. Rock was required to avoid breaking any laws at the state, tribal, federal, or city level for the next 4 years, or else she could face serious consequences. Her probation would last until March 15, 2027, and she had to be on her best behavior during this time. Instead of spending 30 days in jail, Rock was ordered to complete 120 hours of community service by the end of September 2023. She had to do this service at a homeless shelter, which added another challenge to her situation. Because her case was considered interstate probation, she was allowed to complete her community service in another state. Additionally, she had to pay a $991 fine to the district attorney's office. Unfortunately, Rock soon got into more trouble and violated her probation. She ended up on Oklahoma's most wanted fugitives list. Rock claimed she was trying to clear up all her warrants so she could take care of her son. "I'm getting all my warrants cleaned up," she said. "I've been paying off fees and talking to people to help with my situation because I have my son." Before being sent back to Oklahoma, Rock had to face sentencing in California for a separate assault charge from June 18, 2024. She was given a 30-day jail sentence for assault with a deadly weapon without a firearm. After the sentence was announced, Blueface's manager Whack 100 provided an update saying she would likely be back home before Christmas. Rock's life has spiraled downward since meeting Blueface, with her criminal record growing longer each year. Her first run-in with the law happened in 2020 when she was charged with marijuana possession in Maryland. She failed to appear in court, leading to a bench warrant that is still active as of 2024. In 2021, Rock got into more trouble when Blueface and his manager Whack 100 called the police on her for refusing to leave Blueface's house. What started as a regular day at Blueface's Los Angeles mansion quickly turned into chaos, and the police were called to calm things down. In a video that went viral, a police officer was seen standing between Whack 100 and Rock, trying to calm things down as the situation heated up. Rock insisted she was still signed as an artist under Blueface's label and had the right to stay in his mansion. However, Whack 100 shouted back that she no longer worked for Blueface, saying he dropped you 2 weeks ago. Despite the officer's attempt to mediate, Rock refused to leave. Feeling emotional and upset, Rock went live on Instagram to explain her side of the story. She was nearly in tears as she told her followers about the drama she was going through. But things didn't settle down after the police left. Tensions flared again inside the mansion. Whack 100 and Blueface argued while Rock hid in the bathroom. In 2022, Rock was arrested in Arizona on charges of criminal trespass and disorderly conduct. This incident, which was caught on camera, took place at a Whiskey Row bar in Scottsdale, Arizona. Blueface was standing in front of Rock when she punched him twice in the face, causing him to stumble backwards. Security intervened, pinning Rock to the ground until Scottsdale police arrived and arrested her. The next day, Blueface clarified on Instagram that Rock was not arrested for hitting him but for trespassing. He explained that she had grabbed his phone, ran into a closed bar, saw something on the phone that upset her, and hit him. In June 2023, Rock and Blueface got involved in another incident at the Palms Casino Resort in Las Vegas. According to a police report, a woman congratulated Rock on her pregnancy, but then commented on Blueface, which upset Rock. In anger, Rock allegedly punched the woman in the face, leading to chaos on the casino floor. Blueface then took the woman's phone and put it in his pocket. When the woman tried to get her phone back, Blueface allegedly kicked her. Another member of their group also hit the woman. Casino security intervened, but Blueface and Rock managed to flee in a Dodge Charger. The following month, Rock was charged with another assault after an incident with Whoa Vicky. Whoa Vicky had liked some tweets that criticized Rock, which made Rock angry. Later, when the two met in person, Vicky tried to apologize and explain she didn't mean to offend Rock. However, Rock was not satisfied, and the confrontation quickly turned physical. Vicky was left with bruises and cuts, which she showed in a YouTube video. She also filed assault charges against Rock. The following month, Rock faced yet another assault charge at the premiere of Baddies. Her former stylist, Irby Lala, approached her on the red carpet to greet her and compliment her appearance. They started talking about their past working relationship, but the conversation quickly turned sour. Without warning, Rock allegedly punched Lala, knocking her to the ground. Lala later filed a lawsuit against Rock in October 2023, accusing her of assault, battery, and causing emotional distress. Rock has been criticized for drinking and smoking while pregnant. After announcing her pregnancy in January 2023, Blueface's mom posted evidence of Rock drinking on the same day. Rock was also caught smoking weed on camera and during a FaceTime call with DJ Academics. Blueface defended her, saying many women smoke during pregnancy without harm. Meanwhile, even established rappers like Remy Ma have had legal troubles. In 2007, Remy was involved in a shooting and later convicted of assault and weapon possession, serving 6 years in prison. While Rock has faced many assault charges and frequently fought on her reality show, she has never used a gun. Fans hope she can turn her life around after these incidents. Will she change? Only time will tell. That's all for today. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.